Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw page setting and page layout tips and tricks. In this video, I will show you how to create different page layout in CorelDraw without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular page here is A4 page size right here. And let's, for instance, I want to create another page in a different size. How do we do that? First of all, we want to make sure we come to the top right here. We go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to create another page size like A5 by default. So I'm coming to here and you can see page 2. And I want this page layout to be RGB, just like so. And then the resolution, I want it to be 300. I want the resolution to be 200 right here. Then I come down below right here. Okay. Now we have this one right here, and we have another one right here. Okay. Now let's say we want to modify this page size right here to another size, or better still, we want to create another one. So what we want to do first thing first is that we need to make sure we on this particular point right here, make change to this current page. The next thing we want to do right here is that we want to make sure we click on this, come down below right here, click on this plus sign right here. Then we have another page. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. Now we want to switch this particular page to another size. How do we do that? We can easily come to the custom size right here. We can decide to change this to C4 right here. Then if you go back to the first page right here, you find out that we still have A5 right here. Now we can switch this from A5 to another format. We can change it to web format right here. We can say website normal. Then if I come back to the page 2 right here, we have it right here. So we have this as a normal page right here, and we have another page right here. Now we want to create another page, so we can come down right here, click on this plus sign right here. So we want to change this particular page size and the orientation. Always make sure this is checked. So current page apply. So we can decide to change this from millimeter to inches right here. So I can decide to change to inches. Now when I change to inches, I can decide. So for that, I can decide to make this the height can be, the width can be 2 and the height can be 3. Then I press enter key on my keyboard. Then we have it this way. Now let's go ahead and check some of the other page. Like this is page 2. We have the normal size of the page right here, just like what you see. And we have page 1 right here. We have page 2, page 3. And then you can see we have able to create different page layout in different size and different orientation of page as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDraw page layout settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.